Hi, I'm Chef Ben with Expert Village. Right now we're going to be talking about making beef and broccoli, a Chinese classic. You know it, you've had it, you love it. There's a real easy way of how to do this at home. Very quickly, you just get a 1/3 pound, or actually, excuse me, 3/4 pound of thinly stripped beef.
Hold on. It's not you, it's me. I'm going to close-ups. And go.
And thinly stripped beef. And what you're going to do is just going to go ahead and throw that in there. You know, nothing fancy about it. You just go ahead and throw that in there. Go ahead next and grab your broccoli. Now, this recipe calls for about 2 cups of broccoli. I personally like a lot of broccoli, so we're just going to dump as much in there as we can get. See, all right, you know, we'll just put the whole thing. Why not? Just one whole thing in there. Go ahead and put that to the side. All right. Now, you can add garlic. It just depends on what you like. I'm going to go ahead and take 2 strips of thinly cut garlic, throw that right in there. Get that in there. That'll just enhance your taste a little bit. You don't have to. You can always do it if you like. Once again, 1 cup of water. Do not go over. Do not go under. It's very important that you always just have the right amount of water. All right, now you just get brown gravy mix.
Sorry. That was me. And then switch back. And action.
All right, and then you just go get some brown gravy mix. You can find this in any supermarket. It comes in the powders, and it comes out looking a little bit like this, a little grainy. And this great stuff goes in there. Just throw that in there. Okay, put your lid on. Go ahead and set it on low because we want to cook it. Have slow cook so the beef gets real tender. And then you come back probably 4 to 5 hours, and you got beef and broccoli.